goddess Vishnu and Hanuman. The legend is related to the protection provided by Hanuman to goddess Vishnu, incarnation of goddess Durga. Once, goddess Vishnu, in the form of air, flew towards Trikuta hill. Bhairavnath, an evil person, also followed her. While Vishnu was flying towards Trikuta hill, Hanuman flew with her to protect her from Bhairav. Goddess Vishnu entered a cave in Trikuta hill and started meditating. The meditation continued for 9 long months. Hanuman sat at the entrance of the cave and guarded it to protect the goddess. He fought against Bhairav continuously for 9 months. Finally, Bhairav went and hid himself in the nearby forest to protect himself. After 9 months, when goddess Vishnu came out of the cave, Hanuman told her that he was feeling very thirsty. Goddess Vishnu used her arrow to take out a stream of water from the earth. She also washed her hair in this stream. Today, this stream of water is known by the name of Banganga. Taking a bath in this holy river is believed to remove all the problems of devotees. Hanuman, a symbol of devotion. Hanuman's devotion for Lord Ram is supreme. Hanuman is a symbol of power and devotion. He played a very crucial role in the liberation of Sita with the help of his immense powers and helped Lord Ram to kill the demon king Ravan. Devotees of Ram say that Hanuman acts as a savior for those who truly worship Lord Ram. His character inspires us for pure devotion and complete surrender to God. Hanuman was born as a manifestation of Lord Shiv and became a great devotee of Lord Ram. Hanuman still exists on earth and is present in an invincible form to protect the weak. It is believed that when Lord Ram was leaving for his heavenly abode, after completing his duties toward humanity on earth, he blessed Hanuman with divine powers and immortality. Scriptures say that Hanuman is present in a faraway cave where he is chanting Ram's name till date. Hanuman as Ram's messenger. Ram was baffled when he could not kill Ravan. But soon he came to know about Ravan's weak spot. Ram immediately aimed the Brahmastra at Ravan's navel. The arrow pierced his navel and squeezed out the nectar. Ravan fell down dead. Without any delay, Ram rushed to Ashok Vatika to see Sita. Ram and Sita were overjoyed to meet each other after a very long time. Ram's exile of 14 years was almost over too. He had to spend just one more day in exile. Before returning to Ayodhya, Ram wanted to know whether Bharat wished to rule the kingdom or not. So, he asked Hanuman to disguise himself and inform Bharat about his return. On reaching Ayodhya, Hanuman saw the people were happy, prosperous and safe under Bharat's rule. But he could feel sadness still lingering in them. Bharat ruled Ayodhya from Nandigram. Hanuman slowly approached Bharat in the disguise of a Brahmin. Hanuman stays back. Hanuman told Bharat about Ram's victory over Ravan. Bharat's joy knew no bounds when he heard this. Hanuman was also elated to know that Bharat had no desire to rule Ayodhya and was sincerely waiting for Ram's return. Hanuman then introduced himself and gave Bharat the news of Ram's return. A delighted Bharat immediately embraced Hanuman and rushed to the palace to share the news. Bharat called Shatrughna and all others and asked them to prepare the city to welcome Ram, Sita and Lakshman. The news renewed the downfallen spirits of the kingdom. People of Ayodhya decorated the streets and donned their best clothes. The whole kingdom waited anxiously for Ram's arrival. Bharat and Shatrughna went to the entrance of the palace to welcome their brothers and Sita. Ram was given an emotional welcome. He was crowned the king of Ayodhya and was showered with many blessings. Hanuman decided to stay back in Ayodhya and devote his life to serve Ram.
Thanks for watching. Do like, share, subscribe to Sahil Book House.